Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 50 amp 12 volt air cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This is a rack mounted switch mode unit. Come around here to the other side. It's wired for 110 volt. Overall dimensions 22 inches long by 19 inches wide by 5 inches high. To change the volts or the amps, you want to hit the V button for the volts. Wait till it starts flashing, then you can bring them down, bring them back up, and same thing for the amps. Power's on off here, now it's turned off. If you're interested, please contact Lanco by calling 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.